So, you just started your life coaching business. Congratulations, but guess what? You're looking for a step-by-step guide on how to go out there as a life coach and be a successful one so that you can sign up multiple clients and ultimately make more money. Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers go out there and create and make their first or next 10K payday for their life coach and healing business, where they are able to go out there and create multiple $10,000 or more months for their life coach and healing business within 30 days or less with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about a step-by-step guide on how to start your life coaching business and how to go from zero to getting multiple clients using this one thing that we're going to be specifically talking about in this video. What we're going to be talking about is profitable presentations and how you can put on profitable presentations every single week so that you can go out there and use profitable presentations to sign up multiple clients every single week. And we're going to be talking about how you can support your profitable presentation that you put on every single week so that you can go out there and sign up new clients every single week and make more money as a life coach than you ever thought possible. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, let's understand exactly, before we sign up any clients as a life coach, why are we going to be getting paid as a life coach to begin with? I think that's very, very important for us to understand because we need to understand the exchange, the trade, right? Like, what are we exactly doing as a life coach? And we got to remember that as a life coach, right, we are usually picking to help people and to serve people and to solve people's problems within one of three core markets. Those three core markets are going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And our goal is to pick a niche within one of those three core markets and go out there inside that niche and solve a problem with people who have that problem inside that niche or group of people, right? So what we want to do is we need to make sure that we understand that we are solving this problem. So again, a lot of times we're going to meet future clients or prospects or people who need our help, and they're going to be like here, and they're going to have a goal or a target, and that's going to be up here. And you as a coach, whether it's in health, wealth, or relationships, is going to help be their guide to show them your system or your thing, right, or your solution that's going to help them solve the problems that they have and get to the target or the goal that they are going to get to. That is going to help them get to the surface desire that they have in their life, and usually that surface desire is going to help them get to the main thing that they want, which is going to be their core desire. The next thing we want to make sure that we answer here is, you know, you being able to go out there and you being able to help people, right, solve a problem. Do you need a certification to be able to do that? And I think, you know, certifications are kind of a mixed bag. I think a lot of people use certifications as kind of crutches, and they go out there and they're like, well, if I go out there and get more certifications, just sort of like if they go out there and get more, you know, diplomas, or they go out there and get more degrees from college, and automatically they're going to make more money. And that's just not the case, right? A certification is a piece of paper that you got to be certified saying that you know about a certain thing. But at the end of the day, right, your clients are not going to pay you because you're certified. They're going to pay you because you can solve a certain problem and usually help them get right to their goal, their target, a lot faster than them doing it themselves or somebody else, regardless if they're either certified or not. So we want to make sure that we understand, is certification a bad thing? No. If people want to go out and they want to get certified because they got healed or they, you know, want to do something that they know absolutely nothing about, absolutely go out there and get certified, but it's not going to change anything, and it's not going to give you an upper hand in going out there and signing up clients, because being certified, right, versus being able to solve a problem is two of the same thing. When you're getting asked by a client to solve a problem, it's not about if you're certified or not. It's about if you can solve a problem or not, and that's exactly why getting certification is not needed, so that you can become a successful life coach and sign up multiple clients. Before I go into profitable presentations, how you can start building your profitable presentation and start looking to make money, sign up multiple clients here in just the next 7 days as a life coach, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or their next, right, 10K paydays for their businesses, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing businesses using profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so first things first, obviously we want to put on a profitable presentation, and we're looking to go out there and we're looking to present, looking to demonstrate exactly how we can help people by actually helping people and presenting in front of multiple people, right? But how do we prepare for this? How do we start going out there and preparing a profitable presentation that's going to help people? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to work through what we classify here at Life Coach Launch as identification, right? There's three things in identification. That's going to be, right, picking your perfect profitable niche or who that you're wanting to help, right? You're wanting to go out there and you're wanting to create an irresistible life coaching offer following the Life Coach offer formula, Life Coach Launch offer formula, and right, we're wanting to make sure we go out there and create our core messages, right? And we have all information about all of this stuff here on our channel, so make sure to click around and find those videos so that you can go and get more trainings on those specific videos. But ultimately, what we want to make sure that we do here is we prepare, right, what we're going to be offering and who we're going to be offering it for. We talked about earlier on in this video about how you're playing the guide and you're meeting them here and they're getting here, right? Well, we want to make sure that we have an offer in place that people, after they come to this profitable presentation, they are going to want to take action on that offer so that they can continue getting your help. So understanding the specific niche that we're wanting to serve, and then understanding specifically how we're going to be able to talk to that niche and specifically offer that niche to continually help them is really going to help us when we go out and we prepare a profitable presentation that's going to be able to help somebody by actually helping them, and then signing up those people at the end of that profitable presentation by simply just asking them if they want our help. And we're going to be talking about that in the next segment. All right, so we have our niche, we have our offer, and we're ready to go out there and we're ready to start preparing and putting on a profitable presentation. And first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we pick a date, and then we want to let everybody that we know, right, that we are about, letting them know in whichever way we can communicate with them, whether that's a Facebook post, whether that's an email, whether that's texting or DMing in Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram or TikTok or wherever that might be. But letting every single person that you know, right, that would fit or could get help with this presentation, right, you want to make sure that you reach out to everyone that you know and you let them know that you're putting on this presentation and that it's going to help, right, these people who have this specific problem. And then we want to go out there and we want to prepare a specific profitable presentation by picking one of 5 specific, right, events that we can put on. One could be a live event, right? One can be an online workshop, one can be an online challenge, one can be an online summit, and one could even be an online masterclass. But regardless about how we are delivering our profitable presentation, what we want to make sure that we do is we go out there, right, and we genuinely go out there and aim to help people at this profitable presentation with solving a problem that they have. Usually that problem is going to be on the way to getting to their main goal. When we go out there and we're able to start helping people get small wins, usually wins that they're not going to be able to get or haven't been able to get on their own, this is going to help them get into a yes state of mind, or a state of mind that's going to make it a lot easier for them to want to continue to get your help at the end of that conversation or the end of that workshop or profitable presentation. Just like if you were to hop on the phone with them and have a one-on-one call. The great thing about profitable presentations though is a lot of times you can get 10, 12, 15 people to a profitable presentation where you're going to be helping those same people with solving the same problem, and you're going to be able to help all those people at once, and usually be able to sign up multiple of those people at the end of that profitable presentation without having to spend 12 or 15 hours on sales calls. You're going to be able to do this within 1 hour, 90 minutes, every single week. And the best part is you're going to be able to build momentum and never have to worry about running out of leads or running out of people who are looking for your help. Because just because, you might get a few people that sign up, there's still going to be people that were interested that maybe just couldn't sign up this week or whatever. You're still going to be able to invite them to the next one the next week and be able to make sales or talk about helping them at the next one in the next week. And this is going to help you build more momentum and help you get more leads and ultimately help you get seen by more people and get more people coming to your profitable presentation, so you, right, can start helping a lot more people at these profitable presentations and ultimately start making a lot more sales in the process. All right, so let's talk about the last piece here, which is going to be about your impact and how you can go out there and not only create more of a legacy and be able to help more people, but also make a lot more money as a life coach here using profitable presentations. You kind of heard me allude a little bit at the end of that last segment where I talked about, right, how you're building a list and how you're going to get people to sign up at the profitable presentations. But obviously, what are you going to do, right, after those people who didn't sign up, right? What are you going to do with those people who didn't sign up at the profitable presentations? Well, you're going to reach out to them, right? We're going to follow up with them, or we're either going to invite them to the next profitable presentations that we're going to run, or we are going to look at looking to get them on the phone so that we can customize, right, them, because they are a very targeted lead for us. They are a very targeted person who has, came to our profitable presentation. They wanted to get our help, right? And we want to make sure that we're reaching out to them so that we can not only talk to them about moving forward, but we also want to make sure that we're talking to them at that profitable presentation, about if they're not ready to move forward, what can we do, or what can we help them with until they are are ready to move forward. That way they're hanging out with us, they're coming to get help from us until they are ready to move forward, and we are ready, and we are able to build a pipeline full of people who are actively saying they need our help, and we are able to every single week, regardless if it's a new person that came to a profitable presentation or one that's been hanging around us for a few weeks or a couple of months or whatever, we're constantly going to have leads around us that we're going to be able to reach out to. That bucket's going to grow after every single week of running a profitable presentation, and we are going to be able to go out there and genuinely help people every single week. And guess what? We're going to be able to sign up multiple people every single week because we not only help them, but we simply asked if they would like to continue to get our help. Are you a life coach looking to make more money, or possibly looking to go out there and start your life coaching business successfully? Well, I just got done with a free report that I call, right, my 10 winningest life coaching niches free report, which is going to go over with you the top 10 niches in life coaching today and how you can use them in your business to go out there and make more money quickly. You can click on that link down there in the description to grab your copy of this free report, absolutely free. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link down there in the description and grabbing your free copy of this free report, the 10 winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now, so you can go out there and start making more money. We'll see you in the next video.